Boiling hot. Understanding this fiery English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, boiling hot. This expression is a vivid way to describe extreme heat, and it's commonly used in English. So, let's get started and explore how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Boiling hot literally refers to the temperature at which a liquid, especially water, starts to turn into steam. This is usually around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. When we use this phrase in everyday English, we are comparing something's heat to the intensity of boiling water. In a figurative sense, boiling hot is often used to describe weather, food, or any situation where there is extreme heat. For example, you might hear someone say, "The weather is boiling hot today," which means it's very hot outside. Probably uncomfortably so. It's a way to emphasize just how hot something feels. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. I couldn't stay outside for long. It was boiling hot. 2. Be careful with the soup. It's boiling hot and might burn your tongue. 3. During the summer, the attic becomes boiling hot. These examples show how boiling hot can be used to describe different scenarios involving high temperatures. It's important not to confuse boiling hot with boiling. Boiling alone refers to the action of a liquid turning into vapor, while boiling hot is an adjective phrase describing extreme heat. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, boiling hot, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's a fantastic way to describe anything extremely hot, from weather to food. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.